Now, welcome everyone. Welcome to Nigeria Crypto and Forex. And I want to share with us a secret. Many of us have been asking, how can you mine having different mining account on one phone? Why? Because I discovered that many a time the challenge is that we don't have much coins. So when the listing comes, we tend to lose the value of our effort. You get it. So it's good if you have two accounts running concurrently on your phone. Now I will be showing you how you can use one phone to mine to have different mining account on one phone. Now, first thing first is that you need to have multiple emails. You need to have multiple emails. You need to have multiple emails. Like I have multiple emails, both official and non-official, official and non-official emails. You see, I have multiple emails, both official and non-official emails. I have multiple emails. Now, after doing that, what you will do is for you to go to your Play Store. Now, before I do that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a video such as this. Now, I want you to do this favor for me, because I really need you to support this platform. I know we're offering our best as regards when it comes to crypto and forex. We always give updated information, very quick information. So I would love you to give us subscriptions and comments, especially comments, likes, so that we'll know that we are making impact in the global space. Now, once you have done that, thank you so much. And I also want to appreciate our returning viewers and also our new viewers. Thank you so much for finding it fit for you to watch our channel. Now, quickly, let's go to the main thing. Go to your search box here, and now it is an application you're going to download. Now, Clone Master. Now, when you click on Clone Master, this is the app, multiple dual space, Clone Master. Look at it. You see, with this now, you can be able to have many applications, many different accounts on one phone. You see, you can have many different accounts on one phone, depending on what you want to do, what you want to achieve. Like this thing, mining app that need referrals, or maybe you're doing a referral program, you can use this. Now, look at mine. Look at my own Clone Master. Click on the Clone Master. You see, these are my applications. These are my applications that I have added. How will you add application? You see this plus sign here? There is a plus sign at this place. Now, there's a plus sign at this particular place. Now, when you click on the plus sign, that's if you have downloaded the app. You have to download the app first on your phone. Now, it has to be on your phone already before you download the clone app, because you are cloning your phone. That means you are duplicating your phone in another phone. Now, that one is a virtual phone. Now, you see, this is it. This is just a Clone Master. Now, if you want to add, you click on the plus sign, and then all your apps will come up. All your apps, applications, all of them will come up. All of them will come up. Now, let's wait. It's network. Now, you see YouTube is there, WhatsApp is there, Telegram is there. All of this, they are there. You see them. All my application, my mining application, they are here. My account, all of them, they are here. You see them. All of them, they are here. All my applications are here. So when you want to add, all what you have to do is to click on it like this, and then it will definitely add. Now I just add the grow network. I just add the grow network. You see it now. The grow network, when I click it, it will open. It will open. See, it has opened for me to create account. Now I don't want to create account on this. Now, that is this. Now, if you want to delete it, you come here, you select it by holding it. You see uninstall, clear data, fake icon, create shortcut. You see many things. So you click on what? On install. uninstall, and then you have removed it. You get it? You have what? Remove it. Now you can show hidden apps also. If there is hidden apps, and you can show them. Don't show hidden apps. That's if you want your apps to be hidden. Don't want anybody to this thing to see it. Now you can what? You can hide the app. How will you hide your app? Click and hold it. You see what? Hid app. See hid app. Now it's hid. Now if you click on this, you see now your app is what is hidden. Now if I close, let it open first. I want to show us something quickly. Why is that? Let me show us something quickly. Is it still on show? It's on show still. Yes, so you see the app is not there, it's hidden. But if I want to use it, I will what? Show hidden app, and then I'll use it. But if I don't want now, I'll what? I'll hide it. Now let me clear the hidden app. Yeah, I don't want it to be. I don't want it to be. I don't want it to be hidden. So I've cleared it up now. That's clear up now. So any app you don't want people to see, you can hide it. You can hide it, and that is how that. So that is just how to work around this application. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you.